Welcome to our educational channel. From this quantitative aptitude test, the topic is tabulation. So this is the also one of the important topic. In one question, they'll give sub questions like 5 or to 6, like the previous topic. Even this tabulation also. Let us see how the questions will come. Before that, if you see the meaning of this tabulation is in studying the problems and statistics. The data collected by the newsletter are arranged in systematic manner. So systematic order or systematic form is called the tabular form. Now one question I am showing here. The following table gives the population of the town from 1988 to 1992. But instead of giving all the data, some blanks are mentioned. Now account the given data, the remaining we need to find out. And based on this entire table, the questions will come. Okay, now this is the simple thing. So not only one problem, the tabulation form or data analysis, these type of questions. In single question one, they'll give sub questions like 5 to 6. So minimum 5, maximum even 8 also they can give in examination point of view. So let us see how few problems I'll explain how the questions will come and how to test one by one. Okay, so if you observe this question now, the following questions are this. Now this is the table, right? So 1988, the men is 65,104 and women 60,387. Children is not given, but total is mentioned. And this is decrease or increase over the preceding year. Okay, this 11,630 means this is the increasing compared to the previous year. So previous year is 1,46,947. This is increased for the next year. So based on this data, we'll complete the table and mark the tick against the correct answers. So instead of filling this all blanks, let us see as per the question how much we require that we can do. Right? First one, number of children in 1988. So in 1988, number of children. So men, women, children. These all three together is nothing but total. Right? Total is given. From the total, this men and women number if you subtract, the remaining is nothing but children in 1988. Right? Okay, let us solve this. First one, number of children. Number of children. So every question based on the from the data only. In this first one, number of children in 1988 year. Okay, how to calculate from the total population? Okay, total is 1,469,47. Okay, 1,46,947. From this, these two should subtract men population and women population. You can subtract this. So that is 65,104 plus 60,387. By adding this, you can subtract. So you'll get the direct answer. So this minus sum of this. So I did calculation already. Just 21,456 is the answer. So for this 21,456. So according to the option, this is the D, right? Yes. By subtracting this. And see the next one. Here is the total population in 1989. In 1989, total population, but it's not mentioned. But we know that this number is increasing over the preceding year, right? So that means we can add this both. So this is a 1988 total population. For next year, this much is increased. So if you add this, nothing but a 1989 total population, right? So total population, in 1988. That one, that is already we know. So 1,469,47, 1,46,947, and how much is increased for the next year is 11,630. Then therefore is increased population over the preceding year is 11,630 because the plus symbol, so it's increased. Minus means decreased compared to the previous year. So because of increased, now the answer is by adding this both. If you add this both, you get 1,58,000. How much? 577. Right? This is the population just in 1989. So in 1989's population is this 1,58,577. So option B is this, right? And calculate next one. Third one is number of children in 1989. In 1989, number of children. So 1989 there is no children, but total we got just from the previous. Okay, this we can use in this. That means so number of children in which year? 1989. In 1989 total we got already this, that is 158,577. So 1,58,577. So from 1,58,577, from this subtract this same sum of the population of this men and women, subtract this from this total. That's it. So this is the 70,391 plus how much remaining? 62,516. Then we can get the answer, that is 25,670 is the answer for this. So that is option A, 25,670, right? Next one, number of men in 1990. In 1990, number of men. Okay, 1990 number of men they asked. This is also simple, right? From the total subtract this women and children's population, remaining will get. That is 1,53,922. So to get this, number of men in 1990. Total already we got. So total is 1,53,922 is mentioned. From this sum of this other women and children, you can subtract that. So one is 63,143 plus one more 23,314. Okay, just subtract this, you'll get the answer. That is, so we get 70,465. I've done calculation already. So how much you got? 70,465. Option C, right? And these are the few questions. Let us see one by one. Number of women in 1991. In 91, number of women. Okay, 91 is this year. Number of women is not given, but total we need. Total is, this is the previous year. Previous year, if we subtract this, we'll get this total. So 1,53,922 minus 5,337. If we subtract, this is the now. Okay, you can see the position. So how much you'll get? This is 1,48,585. Okay, this minus this is this, because this number is decreasing over preceding year. Yes, if you want the women from this total, you can subtract these other two numbers, men and children number. So 1991 women population get. So therefore, number of women in year 1991. So that is from the total. So 148,585. So just start subtracting, right? This one. From this, subtract this both. Subtract those two numbers. That is, one is 69,395 plus one more 21,560. Just calculation, 57,630. Yes, option A is this, right? And next one, sixth one, increase or decrease population in 92 over 91. 92 to 91 over how much decreased? Let us see this. So already account the table, total population. Total population in 1991 is 148. How much is one more? 585, right? Yeah, 1,48,000. Just read it. 1,48,585. and 92. 92 is already given, 1,60,998. So total population in 1992 is, so 1,60,998. So by observing this is nothing but increased. So increased. But how much increased means this minus this. Big number minus small number. So 1,60,998 minus 1,48,585. Do subtracting this, 12,413. This is the option B straight away. So plus it is because of increased 91 to 92. They are asking 92 over 91. So it's increased, right? This is the main thing in this this tabulation form. There will be the table. Based on the table, they ask the questions we need to solve, right? Let us see a few more questions to understand more clear how the different tables you'll get. Now see in this problem, in this question 2, the table given below shows the population literates and illiterate in thousands and percentage of the literacy in 3 states in the year. This is the given data. 3 states, Chennai, Mumbai and Bengal. Population in Chennai is 49,000, okay, 342,000 cities. So extra 3 zeros you have to keep. Okay, literates 6,421,000 again. So illiterates is blank, percentage of literacy. In Mumbai, literates and illiterates are given, population is not given and percentage is not given. In Bengal, population is 60,000, 314,000 and percentage of literacy is 16.1. So this the data is in thousands. So answer also you can write in thousands. Let us see the question now. After reading the table, mark the tick against the correct answer in each question given below and hence complete the table. First of all, we can solve this according to the question, how much is asked. So in this first one, the percentage of literacy in Chennai is percentage of literacy in Chennai. That means in Chennai already literacy is 6,421 and literacy rate they're asking. So how to write literates by total population into 100. This is the formula, right? So percentage of, here is literacy in Chennai. So in this, how to calculate 6,421. So 6,421 the literates by total population is 49342 into 100 should apply to get the percentage, right? And not of keeping thousands, because even they giving thousands also, if we keep 3 zeros and down 3 zeros also same percentage will come. Need not to keep, directly go for cancellation. So if you cancelling this, you do calculation, so you'll get the answer. So that is I have done calculating 13.01 percentage. Okay, approximately till 13 you can calculate and stop, because not of 0 1 also, because the options are 14, 12, 15, 13 point something. This is 13.01 accurately equal. So that means literacy percentage is number of literates by total population into 100, right? And next one, see here, the percentage of literacy in Mumbai. In Mumbai they asked. So population of the Mumbai first you have to calculate, because total population we need. But in Mumbai, literates and illiterates are given. Literates is 4,068, illiterates 16,790. By adding this both, you'll get the total population. So we need to calculate first population of Mumbai. So population of Mumbai is equals to literates plus illiterates. So 4068 plus 16790, 16,790. By adding this, 20,858 thousands. Okay, actually this is 20,858 thousands again. Now percentage of literacy. So percentage of same. So literacy in Mumbai. So what is the formula? Mumbai literates, how many are there? In Mumbai literacy is 4068 by total we got 2858 20,858 into just 100 multiply with 100. So don't keep three zeros and three zeros, not of converting thousands that much. And calculating by this you get 19.5 percentage. So calculation I am not doing, just I did calculate and writing answer directly. 19.5 percentage. Option A, right? So that literate by total into 100. And next third one, literates in Bengal. So in Bengal, how many literates? But in come to the Bengal, they give literacy percentage and population is given. So number of literates in Bengal is not given. So let it be this take some x. I count the formula what you can write. Third one, as per the formula if you observe, number of literates in Bengal, that is out of 60,314, only 16.1 percentage total population. So 16.1 percentage of 60,314 is literates. Okay, percentage of literacy is 16.1 out of this total. That means directly we can calculate like this. So we can write 16.1 percentage of total population. That is 60,314. That is equal to number of literates in Bengal. Okay, there is nothing but x because I took x. Whatever the answer you get, you can see from these options. Right, then that is equal to 16.1 by 100 because the percentage symbol of into 60,314. Yes, you can do calculation. This will get 9,715 thousands. But I count the option 9715 is there, option B, right? Okay, so like this we can get the mostly questions when you come to this tabulation. Not only this, any table is given. Based on that, they'll ask minimum 5 questions. Here is just I'm showing only 3. Similarly, we can fill up this blanks also, remaining all even percentage. Based on that, if you know literates, you can find out illiterates again by subtracting these both. Okay, by adding this we'll get. By subtracting these two we can get. Percentage symbol is even percentage of illiteracy also we can get it. They asked. So the concept is same throughout this tabulation. So any table is given, the concept is same, but hardly we need to understand the question clearly, either subtracting or adding percentage. Based on that we can solve this. So similar topics and similar chapters, some more, all are available in our channel. You can go through one by one.